This is the printer that I've built from a box of bits. It lives inside a wooden box because ABS prints don't like drafts, and I can fully enclose the printer when it's running. Here is a speeded up print of Ferris's logo. The actual print took 90 minutes, but it is a very low resolution, 350 microns. The final print will be 50 microns and each letter will take about 3 to 5 hours to print. Here's the finished logo and one of the letters. The full logo didn't print the top layer because the resolution is so low, the total thickness of the finished product would be greater than the design thickness. It took 3 hours to print the logo. The letter E was printed at 5 microns or 0.05mm resolution. That means that each print layer is 5 microns above the previous one. There are 561 layers and it took 2.5 hours to print.